Good morning, welcome back. So today I'm just gonna quickly show you how I sew my own kitchen towel wipes. They are a zero waste project and they don't cost anything. These are many years old and they are slowly starting to fall apart. So I'm going to make some new ones. Also, you can never have enough wipes, I think. So yeah, it's a zero waste project. Don't cost anything at all. They are very quick to make. And let's just go, I guess. So the only things you will need are some old towels. I recommend some super absorbent ones, a sewing machine. I used my overlocker, but a zigzag stitch on a normal one will be totally fine as well. And a pair of scissors to cut everything. First I'm just gonna cut my towels to the size that I want them to be. I made mine around 25 centimeters wide. And you can also see me cutting off a little edge right here. Save that, we'll need that later as well. And then I'm just gonna cut as many pieces as my towel scraps will allow. And I decided to do 7 today, but you do however much you need. Then it's already time to start sewing. I chose to set my overlocker to the tightest stitch and to the widest width of the stitch. And I'm starting off with the strip edge piece that I cut off earlier and just serging the rough side. I will use that piece later as a hanger loop for the towel. You could also leave out that step completely if you want, but I think it's very practical to be able to hang them up as well. And it doesn't take more than 2 minutes to make them, so yeah. Then I'll just cut them to size. I made mine around 7 to 8 centimeters in length. I'm also cutting off a little bit of the corners. It will just make it a bit easier and prettier to sew, but that's also very much optional. I like to put my loops onto the corners, but you could basically choose to put them wherever and however you like as well. And then we can start to sew all around the edges of our towel and just slowly sewing over the loops as well. So there's no extra steps to sew on the hanger loops, which is great. You could secure them more with a straight stitch on your normal sewing machine, but I personally don't think it's really necessary. I just repeated that for all of my towels, and we can already start cleaning. Also, there are just so many places you can clean with them and use these for, so yeah. Also, I just finished 7 of these within an hour, but also I was filming, so they definitely don't even take 10 minutes per towel, which is great. You also really don't have to have an overlocker. It will just make the project way faster. So yeah, I think that's everything I got for you today. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Focus. Ow. Sorry. Sun is gone. No. You also